Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add this bro lashes on FaceTune. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the FaceTune app and already logged in, and now once you open it you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the FaceTune apps on in the screen, where you can see the plus icon at the bottom of this dashboard. Simply tap on that option and you can select any of the photos from this library. And now at the bottom of the screen you can see the makeup option. Simply select that option and now you can choose makeup. Now once you choose this option you can see the eyeshadow and eyelashes, so simply click on that option and you can adjust your brow lashes on FaceTune successfully. So basically this is how you can adjust brow lashes on FaceTune app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.